So today's topic is tracking of a person who has consumed liquor or alcohol. Why this topic means to prevent accidents. So what can be best we can do with the help of electronics, the latest technology, how to avoid accidents. That means a person who has consumed alcohol should not drive. It is already there, but still many after consuming liquor they start riding the bike, especially bike is highly dangerous. Even though lorry drivers, car, many are doing like that. So this is a first level. This is basically a research topic. So this is first level and it goes up to 10 levels. So before at the end of 10 level we should be able to formulate a outline sketch with fine details of this research topic. First up, he buys the liquor is bought in a wine shop. So these persons, what are the things they have to register? First, Aadhaar number, husband and wife. If husband consumes alcohol, it will be immediately sent to his wife number, and vice versa also for the present day condition. If both are consuming, then it's a problem that has to be discussed separately. So mobile numbers are linked with so you can suppose if the person is unmarried, then it has to be informed to the parents. If I say here that time, what time they are purchasing, and it should give an alert message in the mobile for parents or wife or husband, whatever may be the case may be. Then the person who is buying liquor, he can be tied with, so this is an efficient one, Aadhaar number and linking mobile number. The second case is RF tag. Generally we can go for radio frequency tag, and that tag has to be interconnected with the two-wheelers, four-wheelers, eight-wheelers, 10, whatever, how many wheels, the vehicles. Okay? So this is one thing we have to consider. Then we can develop a separate app itself for mobile applications, using mobile applications. So at the time of purchase of liquor, quantity and volume has to be registered. So what is the upper limit or the lower limit? And how many members are going to use that liquor? Okay. Alcohol consumed report for 1 month, and how much revenue is gained by the government for a particular Aadhaar number. So that gives an upper limit. So that also has to be fixed. Okay. The upper limit by which you can, first of all, consuming alcohol itself is not good. But then, if that is the case, then we have to note down for 1 month how much quantity or how much he has purchased, the money he has spent for liquor as well as the quantity, and we have to fix the upper limit. So that will be linked with the Aadhaar, and that Aadhaar number, after seeing that he is not we should not allow him to purchase. It should be blocked. Okay. Then design of lock linked with Aadhaar and RF tag. So all when they start bike, car, lorries, anything. So that lock key has to be interconnected with the help of Aadhaar, and it should be a smart. Once he purchases, the lock will refuse to. It should be a digital lock. It will not open the bike. You cannot start the bike. Okay. Then this is applicable. Then you can use RF tag. That's what I said. RF tag. RF tag in the sense we can go for active RF tag instead of passive one. So as told about, bike is highly dangerous because it's two-wheeler. The unbalanced condition is very high. But whatever may be the vehicles, all are same. Okay, right. Then there should be a declaration when you purchase a alcohol from the wine shop. So that declaration has to be linked with the Aadhaar, and we can use the thumb impression also, so that it gets connected. So this is the first level of idea. So the ultimate aim is, once drunken driving is not allowed, to help both these sides, the drunken driving a vehicle, or those who are walking, innocent people are being killed because of drunken driving. So the person should not be allowed to drive. So that's the idea. So in the subsequent level 2 and level 3, we go for the internal file details of this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.